Welcome to our hospital administrator, Mr. Ben Dover. Mr. Dover, it is clear that the future of nursing is about nurse practitioners, and not staff nurses. We, as staff nurses, were hoping you could tell us what our new role will be in healthcare reform?
First of all, let me say that I'm glad you got that nonsense out of your head about the future of nursing is about staff nurses. As you know, hospitals now hire as few staff nurses as possible. Hospitals have also cut out a lot of unneeded support services for nurses like unit secretaries. Nurses have always ran the hospitals. That is where the extended role of the staff nurse will come in. Of course, staff nurses will be required to take more patients. But the exciting thing is, staff nurses will have the opportunity to do much more clerical work that was once done by unit secretaries. Staff nurses will also play a bigger part in the housekeeping of the hospital. Since the duties of staff nurses are included in the room and board charge, hospitals technically own nurses. So it is naturally to our advantage to expand your roles. When nursing education left the hospitals and went into the universities, the fate of staff nurses was left to hospitals.
With all the increased non-nursing duties and increased patient loads, how are we supposed to provide safe, quality care?
Let me make this clear. Staff nurses without a union will be required to take as many patients as possible, charge for reimbursement and perform duties of the expanded roles, as I mentioned. Unfortunately, nursing education was able to get nurse practitioners out from under hospital control. But staff nurses without a union belong to the hospitals and your roles will be expanded. Hopefully we can expand your roles back to where they were, during the diploma days, when nurses did everything for the hospitals. You will be doing much less nursing care, but your roles will be expanded to help run our hospitals.
Thank you, Mr. Dover. You have made it clear as to how hospitals see the expanded roles of staff nurses. Thanks to all the staff nurses in attendance. We will keep you informed as our roles are expanded.